Hey guys, I'm Shaya Rose, and today I'm coming at you with a video that has nothing to do with beauty stuff. Nails, hands, skincare, hair, eyebrows, hair, and mohair. It ain't got nothing to do with that. It has to do with money. And I know y'all can watch this video because the world is fascinated with money. Like, money is not that great. I don't know why y'all like so excited. First of all, money is awesome. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money as a teenager. Now, no, I didn't say that if you 55 years old living still in with your mamas, do you, okay? If you need a little quick change, this is for you. But I'm really gearing towards the 14, the 15, and the 15-and-a-half-year-olds, okay? This video is for you, so if you want to keep watching, which I'm sure you do because y'all love me, continue with this video, and I will see y'all in the next clip. Rolling. So the first thing that you guys can do is download an app called Quick Thoughts. I did this. Really, I think my mama thought I was doing some skinny stuff under the low because she was like, how you ordering stuff? And I was like, because I got a gift card. So how you get a gift card? Who gave you a gift card? And then I was like, this app. She was like, I will trust it. She really thought something was up. But Quick Thoughts is clean. It's legal. I promise you. But if the FBI come looking for you, my name is Greg. Okay? I don't know you, sis. But the name of the app is... My producer laughing at me. The name of the name of the app is Quick Thoughts, okay? All you have to do is do 10 surveys. Necessarily 10 surveys, you get $1 per survey. Sometimes you don't always qualify for the survey and then you'll get 10 cents. I've been using this app since I was in the 9th grade going to lick number charter trying to get money to get my nails done, okay? Your girl wanted to fill in, but she couldn't afford it. So she got, you know, gift cards and then she bought fillings off of eBay and messed her nails up. It's all right. So, if you want some gift cards, and the only gift cards you get is Amazon gift cards. You're not getting no Sephora, GameStop. You're not getting none of that, so don't get your hopes up. It's not happening, period. But if you cool with Amazon, if you cool with the good old $5 Game of Thrones 1997, that's for you, okay? So the next thing you can do is sell your things. I know me, first of all, I'm a hoarder. I'm not into now. I'm actually taking therapy for it now. No, I'm joking. But I am a hoarder. I keep everything. And I have a problem, but it's okay. If you're not like me and you know you're just a giver and you just want to bless people, give your stuff away. Sell it. Get some shmoney or something. Offer up. Let go. I don't recommend let go because people be getting killed. And at the end of the day, I want my arteries. I want my ligaments. I want all of that stuff. So, I mean, if you just want to let go of yourself, go with let go. But I like my stuff, okay? I like my elbows. I ain't got time for y'all crazy people in the world. But OfferUp, I sold lots of stuff on OfferUp. Then people on OfferUp be all nice. They be like, hey, Shay. I'm like, you don't know me, girl. But anyways, you know, go with OfferUp. You can sell your stuff. You post it. You put a price. And they, you know, sometimes they do try to talk you down on the price. And you got to be like, look.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, rams, hogs, dogs.
My Dollar Tree bracelet is not worth 50 cents, okay? Give me 99 cents for it. Sometimes you gotta be stern, but other times you can be... My producer keeps laughing at me like, can I not get through a video? Anyways, sometimes you can, you know, talk down the price, be nice to people. If that's what you're feeling in your heart. If you're feeling greedy, go for it, okay? I ain't even gonna say nothing to you. The next thing you can do is house sit. You know, if you want to go and sit in somebody's house and eat all that ice cream and drink all that orange juice and get paid for it, do it. My producer actually did that, like before he got big or whatever, and he started doing like his shoots and stuff, and you know, had his clients. He did like he house sat for someone. And he was talking to me about it, and it was chill. Like, he got paid to sleep on somebody's couch and eat their popcorn with extra butter. So, if that's what you want to do, do it. I'm not staying at nobody else's house because my nerves too bad. But if you want to do it, girl, I ain't even going to say nothing to you. You better go slop on their pillows. I ain't even mad at you. The next thing that you can do to make money is... start like a business with lawn care. My producer, once again, my producer's been all over the place. But before, you know, he got big, he did lawn care with his father. His father has a big lawn care business. And he worked with his father with his business. And, you know, you can cut grass, you can do landscaping, and put flowers down and all of that. Me personally, dirt, sweat, no. But if you listen, if you want to do that, more power to you. If for real, you're gonna need power, because when I say lawnmowers, it's not no joke. Okay. All right. So the next thing that you can do to make money is you can rent out your video games. So if you're like me, you may not have a lot of video games, but for those who know, like the Call of Duty and the Black Ops and the Assassin's Creed and the what's that, Grand Theft Auto, whatever y'all be playing. What's that other one? 2K75 or NFL. What's that one? Madden 55.0, something like that. That stuff y'all be playing, you can rent it out for like $65 a day, and then you can, like, you know what I mean? Or you can do it like weekly, or you can do it hourly, however you see fit. Or if you're like me, you know, because I tried this, but didn't know why I want to take my offer or whatever, because all I had was Wii Sports. That was the only video game I had, and ain't nobody played a Wii since like dinosaurs walked the earth. The dinosaurs didn't even want to play my Wii Sports, so I ain't make no money off of that. But if you have better games, people are interested. Oh snap! Be gone in the name. Oh snap!
Sorry. Gotta go.
Yeah, if you have, you know, games that people are interested in, I would definitely take that offer and go make you some money off of that. The next thing you can do, if you are 16 and up, some places do hire at 15, but you can get a job. Like, why do all this extraness trying to figure out how to get some money out of people when you can just go and get your minimum wage? So, for certain places, I know in North Carolina, Chick-fil-A does hire at 15. Certain McDonald's hires at 15. Publix hires at 15. So you just have to look around. You have to ask around. Do your research. If you're really that serious about getting paid, do some hardcore research, and then you will find out who hires at 15. If not, start at 16. I personally was ready. I was not playing no games. Before I turned 16, I was trying to find a job. So when I turned 16, I had one. I've been working ever since, nonstop. Literally. But that's besides the point. But yeah, if that's what you want to do, get a job, go for it. I definitely recommend getting a job because it gives you experience. Then when you try to get a better job, you'll get that better job because you had the first job. You might not always seem like, oh, I don't want to flip burgers. First of all, burgers aren't that bad. Like, just slap some ketchup on it and you good. But burgers aren't that bad. You know, I don't want to work at McDonald's. Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order? It's really not even like that. It's, hi, my name is, what can I get for you today? Anyways, so the stereotypical, you know, job that people have in their minds is not true. Don't let it deter you from doing what you want. The next thing is become a senior's helper. For example, I know I can't just say, oh, I like old people, because that sounds kind of bad, but I do enjoy being around the elderly. I love speaking with the elderly. They enjoy, the elderly enjoy being around young people. It makes them feel young. It makes them feel alive. You can just tell, because whenever you go and visit the nursing home and you get to talk with them and volunteer with them, they get excited because they're happy to be around people, other people. This, you know, like, you know, y'all know what I mean. I ain't even gonna go there because y'all got it. But yeah, I really suggest working at a senior center, or not even working. If you just want to volunteer, I know this video is about getting money, but if you just want to volunteer, go for it, sis. I did that. I would go and I would sing at the senior centers, and they would love it. They're like, when you coming back? I don't know. The next thing you can do is tutor students. If you are very smart, if you're very, very intelligent, which I like to believe that everyone is, but if you have a certain thing that you are just spectacular in, use that and make money off of it. Trust me, parents would kill to pay for a child to tutor their student rather than a company or the teacher. Because I know I had a teacher, she would tutor on the side, but she was charging like $60 an hour. First of all, sis, you trying to pay your rent off of my tutoring session. Stop playing with me. So I recommend finding some people that you know are struggling. Be like, hey, I could tutor you, you know, $10 an hour. That's easy cash because you're doing what you love. If you love doing a specific subject, like for example, mine was English and literature. I loved it, still love it. Math, no ma'am. Don't come at me with no trigonometry because I'm gonna laugh at you. and then laugh at you again. So there was just certain things I can't do. But if that's for you, then you go and you get paid off of it. You can make flyers, you can post it on your Instagram, because I know everybody got Instagrams and all of that. Post it on whatever you want to post it on. If you see somebody struggling, pull them to the side after class. Hey, Sandra, did you know that I'm great at such? Not to brag, but if you pay me $100, I'll tutor you. The next thing is babysitting. This is the most cliche thing for every video about how to make money as a child. Babysitting. But for real though, babysitting ain't as easy as it was when I was growing up. You can't just babysit anybody nowadays, because when I say parents is crazy, or at least the parents I know is crazy, they'll pop crap in a minute. They ain't playing with y'all. If I said don't give Lil Raekwon no candy, you better not give him no candy, okay? So just watch out with your babysitting jobs. You know, care.com, it exists. I tried it. I wouldn't, just because I wouldn't. But if you know somebody who has a child and you want to help them out, go for it. I wouldn't recommend going into a whole distant home that you've never met these people and they're like, hi, can you take care of my 12 kids? Oh, and by the way, we have one on the way. I wouldn't go for that. But if that's what you want to do you be you, love you, sis. The next thing is use your hobbies to make money. Like I was saying with the tutoring, if you have something that you thrive in, use that and make money. If you make jewelry, if you're a really good salesperson, sell Avon. If you're very good, you do makeup well, become a makeup artist. If you love, doing nails, go get your manicuring license. If you love doing brow tricks and stuff like that, microblading, brow design, all of that type of stuff, you can work on your semi-permanent makeup. If you love doing hair, if you love to bake, if you love to cook, if you're great at, if you're funny, become a comic. My producer is also a comedian. If you like talking crap, you could start a YouTube channel about talking crap. I don't know, but just find where you thrive and continue to thrive in it, but thrive in it financially as well, okay? And the last thing is start a YouTube channel. And I find this one funny because before we did this video, my producer and I was talking, because we always go over the videos, and he's like, what do you have planned? Blah, 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 just so he can let me know, okay, yes, this, no, this. And he was like, now, good and well, you don't need to be encouraging them kids to start no YouTube channel, because the truth of the matter is when it comes to YouTube, is that you're not gonna get paid when you first start. And I know it's sad because a lot of people go into it thinking that they about to be living like the Ace family. And no ma'am, you ain't a part of the Ace family. Sorry, your name is not De'Ara and your name ain't Ken. Stop playing with me. Your name ain't producer. Your name ain't, what's his name?
Which one?
I don't know. What's a YouTuber?
David Dobrik.
I don't even know what he just said.
Liza Koshy.
Your name ain't Liza. Okay, so don't be thinking you about to be popping after your first video about how to get rid of fungi, because I promise you, you might not even get 2 cents off that video. I just started. I don't make, money off of this. I just do it because I love it. I like to talk to y'all. Y'all cool. And I just want friends. So, hey, I'm not doing it because I'm getting paid. And I probably won't be getting paid for a while, but I'm okay with that. So you have to go into it with the right mindset. But the reason why I still added it was because it is a possibility. You could go on there with your first video. You could go viral. And pow! That ain't my testimony. So I ain't even gonna lie to you. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a really fun talking to you. I had a really fun time talking to you guys, as I always do. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like talking to me like I like talking to y'all. But I'm gonna see y'all in my next video, because I still have so much planned for y'all for the rest of the year. Like, y'all don't even know what's about to come for y'all. Y'all can get slapped in the face and be like, whoa, she did that? I'm like, yeah, I did. But I really hope to see y'all in my next video. I really hope to see the likes and the views coming in. So that'll let me know I'm doing something right, and I'm gonna keep doing it. So subscribe, tell your little cousin to subscribe to Shaya Rose's channel, okay? Make sure you tell her, because if not, I'm gonna tell her. So make sure you do that. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget, do you, be you, love you. And most importantly, stay golden. I'll see y'all beauties in my next video. Bye.